Hey guys, what's up? How's it going? Welcome back to another video. So I've gotten a lot of questions about, hey John, how'd you install the T9 head unit? It's still going very, very well in the 4Runner. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and uninstall it real quick for you guys. As you can see, it's still installed. I did not, for those of you asking how to install it, I'll show you how I did the wiring, but that's about it. I will link down in the description the previous videos that I did on how to take out your original head unit and how the T8 mocked itself up, because it's basically the exact same. The only difference that I did with this one is the wiring is different, so I'll just show it to you guys. I did not put the stock bolts in there for it because, first of all, that thing is so much lighter than the stock head unit, and it fits perfectly flush and does not wobble or make any noise at all without those bolts, so there's no point to do it. Okay, so coming now to the back of the T9 head unit, I just put in everything that I am going to need. This spot right here, that is for that SIM card if you elect to do a SIM card. This one right here that I have left open, that is this guy right here. So this is in case, you know, you have an external amp or something like that. This will go in for any extra auxiliary things that you guys need, like other cameras, I guess like DVD players, anything like that that you guys have, that will plug in right there, and that is extra. I don't have any of that stuff, so I left that undone. The GPS, this is for the GPS antenna that comes with the system. If you want to use this one's onboard GPS, I just use my phone's GPS. And then right here, it actually came with like a little TV antenna thing, so you could get like basic channels over the air. This one right here is my hazards. This is the only thing that I popped off of my original mounting brackets, because as you can see, I don't have the brackets on the side. I left those on the stock head unit. So I just popped this off real quick. And other than that, the main harness that they give you plugs in right here. Just be very, very careful and just shove it all the way in. The CAN bus, this is what, you know, shows you, hey, your doors are open, the AC controls, everything like that. That plugs into this one. Now, if you're worried about, oh shoot, what plugs into what plugs into what, all these now, when you go back into your vehicle, all of these have their own connections. So it's not like you're gonna find this one and there's gonna be 4 others in the vehicle like it. This one only plugs into its matching one. There's going to be, I think, like 1 or 2 of these that don't plug into anything, because this is like a universal Toyota harness. This one that ties off of the main harness goes into this very first spot. This second and third spot right here, these are for extra USB connectors. So this one will plug into the gray USB connector inside your vehicle. And then now this one is just left open, so if I want to put like a CarPlay dongle or something like that, I can do this. So that's just a regular USB connector. This one right here is for your radio, so you'll plug this in right here to your radio, and this will plug into its corresponding plug in the car. And then this last one right here, this is for your reverse camera. So you plug this one in like that, then it has its video RCA, which will then plug itself into one of the yellow video cables coming from the main harness. So you just gotta play around and see which one's which, because this one says camera, and then this one also says camera. So basically I just had the head unit out, I unplugged it, put the car in reverse, had it plugged in, it didn't come on, unplugged it, plugged it into the other one, put the car in reverse, it came on. So that was the right one. Other than that, guys, very, very simple. Have patience. Plug and play. These, like I said, will literally plug into their very own in the car. You see how these are different? Each one will plug into its own thing. Those teeth are different than those teeth. This is the gray USB that I was talking about. That one's your radio one, because you could see the little coaxes and stuff on it. So each one will plug into each one over there. If you guys need any more help, please let me know. I will try to get back with you in the comments. But it is 100% plug and play. You do not need to splice any wires. You do not need to cut anything. All of these that look like I spliced something, it was already like that. So everything, I just took it, plugged it in. Make sure the canvas is plugged in. You will have problems. This is, like I said, what shows your AC, which doors are open, and also allows you for your steering wheel controls as well. So the video was helpful. Please go ahead, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you guys are new, and I will catch you all in the next one. All right, see you later.